Micronesia survived centuries of empires, nuclear blasts, and being erased from the Pacific conversation. Follow now so you finally hear their side. The Pacific isn't one big aloha and coconut bra party, and not everyone here is Polynesian. Micronesians are their own ocean. And their history, it'll blow your mind. Micronesia is huge, thousands of islands, from Guam to Kiribati. Most so small, if you sneeze on one end, someone says bless you from the other. But they've survived centuries of empire hopping. Spain, Germany, Japan, the US, like colonial speed dating, but without the happy ending. Remember the Bikini Atoll nuclear tests? The US literally told whole villages, "Hey, can you step off your island for just a sec?" Then dropped atomic bombs. People never got to move back. And the radiation? Still hanging out, uninvited. Today, many Micronesians moved to the US under the Compact of Free Association. It's like a VIP pass to work and live here. Except some people still act like they don't belong. In Hawaii, that discrimination is real. Why is Micronesia missing from most Pacific conversations? Micronesia isn't a side character. It's an ocean full of culture, resilience, and a sense of humor that's kept them afloat. Follow Pacific Stolen so you can hear the next story they never wanted you to laugh or cry about.